What's up everyone and welcome! In this episode, we're going to talk about the Lazarus Group using Windows Update to spread its malware combined with using GitHub for its command and control server. Let's see what else we can learn to protect ourselves and others from this story.
Oh, drat these computers. They're so naughty and so complex. I could pinch them.
The Lazarus Group, associated with the North Korean government, is using Windows Update to spray malware in a campaign powered by a GitHub command and control server. The Malwarebytes threat intelligence team reported that they discovered the North Korean State Advanced Persistent Threat Group's latest living off the land technique while analyzing a spear-phishing campaign. The focus of the campaign, in which the app masqueraded as American global security and aerospace giant Lockheed Martin, is in keeping with Lazarus' taste for infiltrating the military. The United States also refers to Lazarus as Hidden Cobra, a name used to refer to malicious cyber activity by the North Korean government in general. This app group has been behind large-scale cyber-espionage and ransomware campaigns and has been spotted attacking the defense industry and cryptocurrency markets, Kaspersky researchers have noted in the past. Spear-phishing campaign was weaponized with malicious documents that try to lure targets into clicking by using the same job opportunities baloney that the group has dangled before. Congratulations, you're doing a great job by wanting to learn about the Lazarus APT Group's new campaign where they're spewing malware attacks via Windows Update, and by watching my episode about it. I appreciate your support, and if you think I can improve on anything or just want to say hi, don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section below. If you happen to be one of the few who have not yet subscribed, I urge you to subscribe and smash the bell to be notified when I upload new episodes, where I give you insights into the newest important cybersecurity news stories like this one. With my insights, you can be better prepared to protect your company, your family, and yourself against these and other cyber attacks. So hit the subscribe button and let's continue to learn about this story together. Now, Lazarus did the same thing, or had the same type of campaign, last July. At that time, the app was identified as being behind a campaign that was spreading malicious documents to job-seeking engineers, impersonating defense contractors who were purportedly seeking job candidates at Airbus, General Motors, and Rheinmetall. Malwarebytes find two such macro-embedded decoy documents pretending to offer new job opportunities at Lockheed Martin in January, or on January 18th, in that campaign. Their file names were Lockheed Martin Job Opportunities and Salary Lockheed Martin Job Opportunities Confidential. Both of the documents had a compilation time of April 4th, 2020, but Malwarebytes said that the campaign was actually used late last month and into this month, as indicated by the domains used by the threat actor. The attack starts by executing malicious macros embedded in the Word documents, researchers described. After a series of injections, the malware achieves startup persistence in the victim's system. After a target opens the malicious attachments and enables execution of macros, an embedded macro drops a Windows Update conf.link file in the startup folder and a DLL file in a hidden Windows System 32 folder. LNK files are Windows shortcut files, as in pointers to original files in Windows. Next, the .lnk file is used to launch the WSUS Windows Update Client, or WAUCLT.exe, which is a legitimate process file, popularly known as Windows Automatic Updates. It's located in Windows System 32 by default. The update client is used to run a malicious DLL that bypasses security detection. With this method, the threat actor can execute its malicious code through the Microsoft Windows Update client by passing the following arguments: /update deployment provider path to malicious DLL and /run handler com server argument after the DLL. This is an interesting technique used by Lazarus to run its malicious DLL using the Windows Update client to bypass any security detection mechanisms, the threat intelligence team noted. With this method, the threat actor can execute its malicious code through the Microsoft Windows Update. So, what can we learn? Well, we know that the Lazarus APT Group is connected with North Korea, and that it is known to target the defense industry. So the group keeps updating its toolset to evade security mechanisms that seems to be right now a problem specific to the defense industry in terms of keeping up to date with all of these new and changing tactics. The good news if you can call it good news, is again that they really only target the defense industry. So we're not talking about general companies being in danger or the general public as a whole in terms of how they're installing this ransomware. But in general, preventing malware attacks requires a layered approach that combines security defenses with proactive measures to prevent ransomware attack from taking hold in the first place. The main focus of the attack remains, like I said, government entities. However, the public, the general public, should also remain on their toes. Specific to this attack, the main entry was achieved through spear-phishing with malicious files. So if you get some document that says it's a job opportunity or salary comparison or blah blah blah, whether it's a PDF or a document, a Word doc or an Excel document, you should 100% check to verify that the attached file is not malicious. If your antivirus still shows it not as not being malicious, but it's from somebody you don't know and don't recognize, you can even use the virustotal.com online file verification or file scanner to see whether or not VirusTotal finds any malicious content within it, embedded within it in the macros. It's better to measure 3 times and cut once so to say, to avoid any kind of attack or ransomware in a case like that. With that, I say thanks again for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you haven't already, and smash the bell if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.